Samuel Barber's third excursion is a short piano work based on a folk tune, but features some rather difficult polyrhythms. If we take a look at the score, we can see that in the right hand there are 7 notes per measure, whereas in the left hand there are 8 notes per measure. How can we go about tackling these complex polyrhythms? One good way is to use the least common multiple of the rhythms. In this case, we have 7 notes in the right hand and 8 notes in the left hand, so we can use the least common multiple of 7 and 8. Since 7 and 8 don't share any common factors, the least common multiple is just the product, which is 56. We can break each measure into 56 subbeats, with 7 groups of 8 in the right hand and 8 groups of 7 in the left hand. Here's what it would look like. In the right hand, we label the first note as 1, then add 8 to get the next note, add another 8 for the next, and do that for the rest of the bar, so that we get 7 groups of 8 subbeats. Now we do the same thing for the left hand, starting at 1, except we add 7 every time, so that we get 8 groups of 7 subbeats. Now that both hands are in terms of this 56 rhythm, we can see exactly where the hands fall. While it's impractical to count 56 beats in one's head while playing this piece, this process can more precisely detail how complex polyrhythms are supposed to sound.